Hey everybody, let's do part 2 of this home smoke alarm search. Sorry, I turned off my iPad and accidentally it stopped the screen recording. My apologies, guys. So, we left off with this I3. So there's spectral advances in this home. That's crazy. A smoke alarm next to a spectral advance. I guess in this area this is required by code. Oh, that may be a CL5120BN. Is that? Yeah, it may be. Who knows? I can't really tell. Now I've got the I4618 AC beep in my head. Trapped in my head. Because those two code 3 pretty fast. I think that's an I9050. No, that's not I9050. That may be an I9060. I don't remember. This is the battery operated version of the I12060As, which I guess they're not. It's not the alarms themselves, it's my wiring that's causing them to break. That's what I'm assuming. I've got a bunch of educated guesses with that type stuff that I've been having. So, seems like my iPad's getting to like low battery, so I may, after this, I'm gonna need to charge it. Alright, let's see. Maybe I call it Roll Street. Alright, let's see. That's awfully close to the wall. Look at that. Look how close to the wall that is. KNCOSMIBA. Now we're getting somewhere. Are there commercial fire alarms in this home too? I guess it'd be nice to have a commercial fire alarm system in my home, but I don't need one. I just don't really feel the want or need to have one. Although it'd be cool to have one, but I don't know how to wire them up. If I knew if I knew how to wire those up, I would get commercial fire alarms, but since I don't know how to wire them up, I can't. I'm not gonna, because they're not. It's not worth using them if I can't wire them. But I do know how to wire up household smoke alarms. I did a tutorial video on that today. And I was doing it the way my uncle taught me. Really? Is that painted over? No, thank goodness. I was about to say, if it is, then that's not good. Painted smoke alarms is never a good thing. You should never paint on a smoke alarm, because it can permanently damage the unit. I-12060A gives me vibes of the ones that went off in my house recently. That's a newer one because it has a bigger piezo. The older ones have a smaller piezo from what I've noticed. That's really the only difference. They work the same. A combination 10-year battery life. At least from what I could tell, my aunts have smaller piezos. And hers are I-12060As. Then there's that one 1276 in the kitchen that goes off all the time. Let's see. Oh, nice spot for a smoke alarm right above the bed. And it's a KNCOSM IBA. Way better choice than the 10-year battery life ones, if you ask me. I have a few talking kidda alarms. I have 4 KNCOPE ICs. One of them's being used in the ceiling as of right now. So yeah. As far as I know, that one still interconnects. Ooh, an apartment. You know what that means? I always gotta stop in the apartments because you never know. You may stumble across some cool alarms. I found a FireX COQ6 in a Residence Inn at one point in Lexington, Kentucky. It was a hotel my cousin was staying at. And when I was going to interact with her during breakfast, I noticed Kidda P12040s and a FireX COQ6. Oh, EST Genesis. Why do you have a strobe in here? I usually see just speakers or just horns. Or just electronic horns. EST Genesis speaker strobe. From what I can tell. I guess that one's pretty obvious. I may have to go take a look back at Chicago. Let's see, what's in here? Maybe. Let's see, what is that? I can't even tell. Third floor. Reminds me of the Fossil Rim. Because, well, they used to have First Stored A3Rs or SA something smoke alarms. I wish I had photos of those, but I wasn't into smoke alarms back at the time. Ooh, we may have some FADCs. Or nope, just I-4618s. Bummer. We're gonna go look in Chicago to see, or you know what? Let's see. Nah, that's not gonna have SC6120Bs or anything special like that. Alrighty, let's look at Chicago, Illinois, because they tend to have some cool stuff. Let's see, is this one new? Alright, let's see what's in here. Hallway. One on the wall, let's see. It's coming the master. First word of some sort. Okay. They call it an undisclosed address. Maybe they should all be that way. Alrighty, let's see. 3D tour. Let's look in this one. I'm going to search through every one of these, and we're going to see if we can stumble across something cool. These. What? Okay, we have I-4618, like in the living room. I don't have one that's directly in my living room, but I have smoke alarms in the hallways that are near the living room. All three of my hallways are near the living room. Alright. Let's see what's in this one. I hate it when it reloads on me. Oh. So what is this? 3 smoke alarms right next to each other. A P30K something. 9120B, and then that unknown one that I've never seen before. That may be the one with that G6 I found that one day. I think these showcases have built in 2005. Okay. So, well, if it's a showcase, it does have a 3D tour apparently. So there's 9120Bs and then that same unknown alarm. I'll have to be sure to look at these showcase sort of things. That one's probably gonna have nothing good. What year was this one built? 1882. So let's go to the 3D home to see what we can find. Foyer, entrance. Alright, let's see. Hallway, which is where smoke alarms are usually at. Oh, just an I3. Oh, that's fancy. Is that a ring smoke alarm? I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Does this one have a 3D tour? Oh, okay, it does. Alright, looks like one of these cool apartments that tend to have really good stuff. Alright, let's see. Do we have 2000s finds? Do we have... Oh, Universal SS36. Where is the smoke alarm? Smoke alarm. Is it missing? Oh, cool! FireX COQ6 next to a G6. Cool! I was talking about FireX COQ6s earlier. And what do you know? I happened to stumble across one. These apartments tend to have really good stuff. Alrighty, so let's see. Let's look at this showcase. Does it have 3D tour? Yes, it does. Alright, let's see. Oh, is that police C manual? Nope, it's a KNCOSM IBA. Or is that an IBA? There's a speaker next to it, so... A Willock speaker next to this. That may be just... Yeah, that's probably an IBA. Is this like in downtown Chicago? Maybe down that way. Alright, 3D tour? Alright, let's see. What do we have to see in here? Oh, Family Guard FG83R. I really want one of these. Cool. I like it. A Family Guard. FG83R. Let's see, does this one have a 3D tour? Yeah, it does, but does it have anything good? Let's see. 1888, so let's see. It may have something good, who knows? Go down the hallway. Just a 9120B. Alrighty, let's look in. I think I looked in that one already. These showcases. These are something. I probably looked in that one in the past. Alright, let's see. Let's look in this one. Really missing hardwired smoke alarm? I used to have the same thing actually, but I used to have that with where my CO5120B was until I learned that it was a fire hazard. So once I learned that, I immediately put something in its place, a 4120B, and I plugged it in to cover the hole. Let me tell you, these apartments have good stuff. Really good stuff. At times. I mean, I found those first alerts earlier. Oh yeah, I've been in this one before. No need to look back. It was that one with those Bluetooth interconnects. I'm hearing that First Alert is going to be changing their technology a lot. I heard that in on a commercial that was on my car commercial station. "3D tour." Alright, let's see. Where do we skip all tips? Alrighty. Where is the smoke alarm? It would be outside the bedrooms, so let's go down the hallway. I see we got a fire alarm signaling device. Is there seriously no smoke alarm? Yeah, there is. Ow, one of these. Alright, let's see. Look at this. Let's see, is there a 3D tour? No, there is not, but let's see. You can't really? Okay. Let's see, is there a 3D tour with this one? Nope. There's a 3D tour with this one. Alright, let's see. 1973 is when this was built. Same year as the St. Mark's Center. Kitchen. I see the popcorn ceilings are still here. Those I've never been a fan of. Oh, is that... I think that's an I-9010. Showcase. Alright, let's see. 3D. Let's look at this. There may... Okay, yeah, I've been in this one. Oh, a system sensor mass with the ADA strobe. Let's see, what's in here? Looked in that one already. Video. Oh, let's see. 3D tour. Let's see. What are we gonna stumble across for finds? Let's go down the hallway. Carbon monoxide alarm. Oh, KNCOSMBA. Let's see, what is happening? Or, what's gonna be in here? No, that's not 3D Tour 1. Here's a 3D Tour 1 I was meaning to tap on. I've already looked in this one. See, that's what sucks at times, is that I accidentally go back to the wrong ones. I think I've been in this one. Yeah, I have. And I've been in, yeah, I've been in that one. Let's see, have I been in this one? Okay, let's see what's in this showcase. Is there a 3D tour? Yes, there is. I've already looked in that one. Why do I keep on going back to ones I've already looked at? Where's those stinking... What do you call it? SC6120Bs and all that. Let's see, where's the alarm? Smoke alarm. Where is it? Is there one? Or... Oh, great. Nice going. Look at that. Sad choice. Leaving a smoke alarm missing. Where's all the stinking good stuff? It's okay. I'm kind of tired. 3D tour. Let's see. What does this one have? Yeah, I've been in this one. My apologies, guys. It's I know it's taken a while. Let's see. Is there all right, let's see what's in this one. Go to 3D tour. I see a fire alarm speaker. Oh. There may have been a CL5120B. You know what? That may be a CL5120BN that replaced the CL5120B. Interesting. I don't know how rare those are. Man, I'm tired. I may be going to bed early tonight. I'm thinking about going to Willabin tomorrow. Oh, wait, is that something? A missing smoke alarm and then a really old doorbell. Okay, so that missing smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide alarm of some sort. That looks pretty rare. Because I've never seen it before. Wait, what is that? Just the same thing, but except it's actually there. It's an I9040 and then this random carbon monoxide alarm I've never seen. Or I may have on other videos, if I'm remembering correctly. I'm just wondering that one other guy's home, who had 4120Bs like I used to. I just wonder if where that KNCOPEIC was, I wonder if there was an SC6120B there. There may have been, but I'm not sure. That's a good question. Oh. Okay. G6, Akita, and then what is that one to the very right? This one may be going in the thumbnail. Who knows? Just depends. I may have to download the Zillow app. I'm not even sure though. That's the one I just looked at. I think so. But I didn't check all the floors. Come on, quit reloading. Alrighty. Let's see. Another G6 in. Oh, wonderful. Who we've smoke alarms missing. I found that like about 6 or 7 times today. It's ridiculous. G6 is here, but all the other 2 are missing. You know what? My iPad's getting low on battery, so after I search a couple more, I'm going to end it because I don't want my battery to die on me. I'm going to end this and put it on the charger. So I'm going to upload it later tonight because I need to let my iPad charge. Or you know what? I'm going to end it right now, actually. Alrighty, I might do another one of these tomorrow, so stay tuned if I do. Alright, please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.